Today we're showing you a 2014 Kubota L4060 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive open operator station tractor. Has just under 1,400 hours on it. It's a very nice clean tractor. A couple very small blemishes in the hood, but overall a very nice clean unit. Front tires do show a little wear, but certainly have quite a bit of life remaining. It does have the loader valve, so you can add a loader to this tractor. Loader joystick up here. R4 tires are in good shape in the back here. Telescopic arms, 540 PTO, top link, everything's there. It does have some LED work lights on the fenders here, and then also another work light up top here. This engine will regen, but it does not require DEF. See some scuffs on the operator station here from getting on and off of the tractor. Has the 3-range hydrostatic transmission. Pedal over here for forward and reverse. Also has the auto throttle advance, cruise control, all that good stuff. Also has the HDS power high-low transmission. This is the Grand L series in the Kubota lineup. We do take trades. We also offer low rate financing for qualified customers. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. If you have any questions regarding this tractor or any of our other used tractors, please feel free to contact us at masttractor.com.